Welcome back to Breakfast Television. I'm Tara Jean from Jack 96.9. My pleasure to be here again for Riaz as he takes a day off. And joining me, DIY expert Karla Dreyer. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
I'm excited.
Mother's Day.
Yeah, it's a perfect time to actually get your brain wrapped around what the kids can do that would be meaningful and not just another macaroni brooch.
Yes. Oh, I have one of those. No,
I know. I have two of them.
No, I have those. No, these are, I take it to my board of directors. I got a 5- and 8-year-old board of directors, all approved. So, and even if you've got gifts, at this point, these are things you could add to it, or if you're giving to grandma. So I think it covers all bases. So I've got 4 to show you.
Before we get into the crafts, can we just give some shout outs to our own moms?
Yeah,
I know we've got a photo of your mom.
My mom's going to be so happy about this.
What's your mom's name?
Janice. Hi, Mom.
Do you know what's so crazy is that my mom's name is Janice too.
Oh my gosh.
We're twinsies.
Meant to be. There we are in our formal photo.
Oh wow, that's very professional.
I know it is. It was for like a photo shoot for a home I was styling. So yes, we're not usually this formal.
Well, mine is definitely nowhere near as formal. This is me and my mom, Janice.
Cute.
That was outside my home in Seafair before we got rent-evicted. That's some paintings that my daughter did of the two of us. Let's get to the crafty stuff, shall we?
I love that. That's really cute. Okay, so the first one, my kids are obsessed with this. This is so cute. The tissue flowers. And you literally only need 2 things that you probably have at home is tissue and pipe cleaner. Of course you have tissue and pipe cleaner at home. So I went the wrong way with this than the right way. So I gotta, give a few pointers. You want 3 to 5 pieces of tissue. Then you want to accordion fold them. So I'm going to give you one and myself one. I've already done the accordion folding. Then you take the pipe cleaner and you kind of fold it in half a bit.
I think I can handle that, Karla.
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
All right. Now you put the pipe cleaner through.
Uh-oh. Okay, gotcha.
Okay. And you're going to twist it. Maybe give it a little more there.
A little more. Bend it back.
Bend it back. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Bend it back and give it like a tight twist.
Okay.
Because that's going to create the stem.
I've got the look on my face like, oh yeah, I got this. But I actually get really stressed out with crafts. But this seems kind of easy.
Yeah, I know. No, it does. But 2 things. But there's a little bit of a method. Then what you do to pull the flower, you start from the front. So see, what you're going to do is just start pulling your tissue. So you're going to start from your front here. And you're just going to start pulling it.
See, this is where the artistry gets involved, and I start to get anxiety.
It took me a few times, and what I was making the mistake was pulling from the back, but you got to pull from the front. And eventually, you end up with something like we've got here. And you can just cut your tissue to different sizes to start.
And you know what's great about this as well is that if the kids are doing it especially, whatever it is what it is,
It's what it is. It does not have to be perfect.
Now, this is another really easy one that I think would be perfect for my messy closet, because I've got, costume jewelry all over the place. How easy is something like this to put together?
This was so easy, and I have to give credit to my mom, actually, for this, because this is her idea.
Hi again, Janice.
So, hi, Mom. So this frame, you could either, get this at a vintage store if you have a frame at home. Then what I did is got a piece of pretty paper, and you just cut the paper to the size of the frame. And then, this is genius. This is my favorite new thing ever, is these knobs are like these sticky knobs from the hardware store, those little hook knobs you can get. Well, they make them now really pretty. So you just stick it on, and then you've got a jewelry holder. But I say get Mom, because I'm a mom, I say get Mom a piece of jewelry to put on there as well.
Oh, even better.
Yeah,
even better.
The jewelry holder.
Or the macaroni brooch.
Well, yeah, okay. I kind of, let's go.
How about this little garden piece? This is nice to get the kids' hands dirty.
Absolutely. Well, Mother's Day is that time of year where everyone's gardening, right? So it's a perfect thing to incorporate. So again, this crate I got at the hardware store for $5. We spray painted it white. We made this one for Grandma, so we painted Grandma on the front, and then just got herbs and put them in these cute little terracotta pots. And we had these little sticks at home, so we labeled what they are. And I think it's so easy, but something you'd actually enjoy
and
getting.
Also a really great learning experience for the kids. And this was a great learning experience for us. Some great ideas for Mother's Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Karla Dreyer joining us this morning on Breakfast Television. Happy Mother's Day again to both of our Janices.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
And to your moms as well. We've got more